Good day to you, Sir Madam. I'm Esel Bisalia, 27 years old, married, and I have three kids. And I'm graduated as Entrepreneurship Management.
Hi, Miss Ezil. How are you today?
I'm fine, Sir Madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
As a good domestic helper, it should be loyal, honest, responsible, and especially hardworking and trusting.
Okay, so what made you decide to work in Singapore?
To earn money and to help my family.
So how will you avoid homesickness?
I will focus myself and I will do everything to busy myself, Sir Madam.
So can you tell me how to take care of children?
Good proper hygiene, taking a bath properly and feed them properly. I will say sorry and I say I will never do that again.
Okay, so any message or promise to your future employer?
Please do choose me, Sir Madam, because I really need this job for the sake of my family and my 3 kids. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract, Sir Madam.
Thank you, Miss Ezil, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you, Sir Madam.